In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gantt tab on Asana, a useful feature for visualizing project timelines and dependencies. Let's dive right in and make sure you're equipped with all the information you need to successfully integrate this tool into your workflow. First things first, you'll need to open the task where you want to add the Gantt tab. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for organizing your tasks effectively. Once you're in the task, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look towards the top of your task interface, where you'll see a plus sign. This plus sign is your gateway to adding new elements or features to your project. Go ahead and click on that plus sign, which will reveal a menu of options. Among these options, you'll find the one labeled Gantt. Click on Gantt, and just like that, you've added a Gantt tab to your task. This is a great time to appreciate how simple and intuitive Asana makes customizing your task view. Now, with your Gantt tab in place, let's talk about adding tasks directly to it. What you need to do is click the plus symbol on the calendar within the Gantt view. This action allows you to create and visualize tasks conveniently. As you add tasks, you may find the default settings don't perfectly match your schedule. To adjust the task dates, simply click and drag the edges of the taskbar to extend or shorten the duration as needed. This functionality gives you a dynamic and flexible view of your project timelines, ensuring that everything fits neatly into your schedule. Next, I want to touch on setting dependencies between tasks, a critical feature for project management. To establish a dependency, you'll want to link tasks using lines. By dragging lines from one task to another, you create visual connections that demonstrate the order of operations or indicate which tasks rely on the completion of others. This interconnected view is vital for ensuring your project progresses smoothly and efficiently, reducing the risk of missed deadlines due to miscommunication or oversight. And there you have it. That's how you add a Gantt tab on Asana. This feature is a powerful ally in managing and visualizing your project timelines, offering clarity and enhancing the overall workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you in your project management journey. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your productivity tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.